What's the matter?
Sorry, honey, it just didn't work out.
What do you mean it didn't work out?
He started crying. Then they were all over me. It was kind of horrifying.
Of course they cried. Babies cry.
I know that now. Come on, honey, let's get out of here.
You go right back up there and get me my baby. I need a baby. Don't you come back until you have my baby.
Oh, honey,
Which one did you get?
Nathan Jr., I think.
Give him here. He is beautiful.
He's awful damn good. I think I got the best one.
I bet you they were all beautiful. All babies were beautiful.
He's awful damn good, though.
Don't cuss around him.
He's fine. He is. I think it is Nathan Jr.
We did the right thing, didn't we? I mean, they did have more than they could handle.
Well, no, honey, we've been over this and over this. Now there's what's right, and there's what's right. And never the twain shall meet.
Was his mama upset? I mean, overly?
Well, of course she'll be upset, Shirley, but she'll get over it. She's got 4 little babies, almost as good as this one. It's kind of like when I was robbing convenience stores.
Oh, I love him so much.
I know you do.
So